Phrases Part 10. Ready? Start. In the country. In this country. In the matter. In the name of. In our opinion. In our own. In our view. In fact. In regard to the. In the second instance. In this manner. In lieu of. In the same manner as. In the course of. In connection with the. In course of time. In all cases. In relation to. In the light of. In the meantime. In the house. In this house. In the court of. In the absence of. In this world. In the presence of. In this city. In the same way. In the other house. In this way. In this case. In any way. In no way. He. He is not. He should be. He should not have. He can be. He could be. He cannot be. He would be. He would not be. He will not be. He will be. He will have. He may be. He may not be. He might be. He would give. He has been. Stop.